Hi friends, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a great summer, well, a great start to the summer at least. So what I've created in this video is kind of a month of different things I've done, arty things that I've been doing and working on this month. One very big and huge announcement for the channel and a big project going on here. And also, lots of little outings with my sketchbook, which I've shared, which you're going to see in the video, plus a big announcement towards the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a month kind of clips of nice places I've seen and sketching and different little things I've done over the month. So I hope that you enjoy it and enjoy the video. And yeah, let's get on with it. Enjoy.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you in the floor. All these wicked nightmares are gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia. But you're okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back
Hi guys, how you doing? Just want to show you quickly this. It's a zine I've made, and it's made out of pages from my sketchbook. I've been sketchbooking for years and years, and what I've done is I've put together a selection of my sketchbook pages and put them together into a small zine for you guys, so that you could have some sketchbook inspiration of your own. I'm very much inspired by my book here. I'll show you now. It's inspired by this book, David Hackney's The Author Sketchbook, where he had like a book of his sketchbook, and I just thought it was such a beautiful idea that I thought I would make it into a little zine. So this will be sketchbooks from around Ireland, and so it'll be a collection of drawings and watercolours and mixed media. So really I put a lot of time into it to select the sketches, and I picked things from my own sketchbooks, the best. But I don't know, I thought they were the ones that I put together anyway. So I went through all my sketchbooks, and I have loads of them, and I just thought, oh, this is a great way to share these with you guys. And, just little things. Some of them aren't finished, obviously, but little small little projects. I love working in my sketchbook and just kind of having a little fun with that. Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So you can see there now, there's lots of outdoor clips and nature. It's just the time of the year, everything is so beautiful and vibrant, so I just wanted to share as much of that as possible at this time of the year. Spring is such a special time of the year. Anyway, the big news on this channel is I've opened my Etsy shop at last. I have this channel a long time. I've been sharing my art a long time, and I think it's time there was somewhere that you could go to get something if you wanted to. So what you can see there is I've put up some paintings, some postcards, some stickers, and of course the zine that you've all heard about. So that's available on the Etsy shop, and I have a link below in the description. But I'm just so proud to have finished that project and to be sharing that with you guys here on the channel. Anyway, I just came on to tell you that great news, and so that we can keep watching the video. I'll see you at the end. Bye bye.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all that
Hi guys, thank you for watching through until the end. I just thought I'd pop in and say goodbye to you. I really do appreciate your views. I'd love to hear comments about what you've been doing in the month of May. Have you been doing anything creative or artistic, or whew, there you go. That's the wind there. So anything creative or artistic that you'd like to share with us all here in this creative community, I'd love to hear about that. I'd appreciate any view and comments and support on my Etsy shop that I get. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now. Have a really awesome day. Bye.